In this lesson, we'll focus on downloading and installing the Mac version using IC Markets. Most brokers, including IC Markets, give you the option to download MetaTrader directly from your client dashboard. Step 1. Log in to Client Dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the menu on the left, navigate to Downloads, and click. Step 2. Choose MetaTrader 4. Scroll down to MetaTrader 4. You'll see several download options including WebTrader, Apple Mac, and others. Choose Apple Mac, then click the green button, Download MT4 for Apple Mac. This will start downloading the IC Markets MT4 package file. Step 3. Download and open the installer. Once the download completes, click on the file to open the installer. Follow the prompts on screen and click Continue. Step 4. Installation Setup. Read through the license agreement, then click Continue and agree to proceed. You'll have the option to change the installation location. We recommend keeping the default setting and clicking Install. Enter your administrator password when prompted, then click Install Software. Step 5. Finalize the installation. The installation will begin. This process only takes a few moments. When it's done, click Close. You can now delete the installation file by selecting Move to Bin. That's it. You've successfully installed MT4 on your Mac. The trading platform will auto-load ready to connect to your broker. You can also find the MetaTrader 4 icon in your Applications folder. Up next, we'll walk you through how to connect your broker account, log into your trading account, and get your MT4 platform fully connected and ready to use.
Be sure to watch the lesson explaining how to join our student community. At ForexClass, we are building a growing global community of traders and investors who learn, develop, and analyze opportunities together. Our courses are currently being redesigned, enhanced, and modernized, with new content and resources being released regularly. We'd love for you to become part of the community. You can find us on Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok. Simply search for @ForexClass UK. Join us, subscribe, follow, like, and share. Learn skills that can stay with you for life. Thank you for choosing ForexClass. We look forward to helping you on your trading and investing journey. See you inside the course.